Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have uploaded key answers for maths. In this video, we'll solve Science MCQ Model Paper 1 released by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Students, based on this pattern, I will be preparing few model papers and I'll be uploading in my channel. Don't miss out any video. Do subscribe the channel to get the latest videos. Question number 1 to 40 is maths. From 41 to 80 is science. Now we'll see answers for science multiple choice questions. Science key answers. 4 choices are given for each of the following questions or incomplete statement. Choose the correct answer and shade the correct choice in the OMR given to you with blue or black ballpoint only. Students, it is very important to note that while you are shading, you should use blue or black ballpoint pen. Follow all the instructions and shade in the OMR answer sheet. Now, question number 41. A device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is option A ammeter, option B rheostat, option C galvanometer, option D voltmeter. The device used to change the resistance in an electric circuit is rheostat. The correct answer is option B, rheostat. Rheostat is also called as variable resistance. Question number 42. In Fleming's left-hand rule, middle finger indicates the direction of option A magnetic field, option B electric current induced in conductor, option C electric current, option D movement of the conductor. The correct answer is option B electric current induced in conductor. Question number 43. A doctor prescribes a corrective lens of power minus 0.5 diopter to a person. The focal length of lens and type of lens is. Minus sign indicates concave lens, and by using the formula P equals 1 by F, we get minus 2 meter. Focal length will be minus 2 meters and it is concave lens. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, minus 2 meters and concave lens. Question number 44. The nature and size of image formed when the object is kept between the principal focus f1 and optic center O of convex lens is. The image formed will be virtual, erect and enlarged. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, virtual, erect and enlarged. Question number 45. The potential difference between the terminals of electric heater is 60 volt. When it draws a current of 4 ampere from the source, the resistance of heater coil is. By Ohm's law, we know that V equals I into R. By using this formula, that is Ohm's law, given the voltage is 60 volts and the current drawn is 4 ampere. Therefore, we can calculate R equals V divided by I. R equals V divided by I. Now substitute the values of voltage and current, that is 60 divided by 4. We get resistance as 15 ohm. The resistance of the circuit or the heater coil is 15 ohm. Question number 46. The diameter of the circular outline of a spherical lens is. The diameter of a circular outline of a spherical lens is called its aperture. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, aperture. Question number 47. The inner wall of the solar cooker is painted black because this. Option A reflects light, option B absorbs more heat, option C prevents from rusting, option D converges solar radiation. The correct answer is absorbs more heat. Black color absorbs more heat when compared to other color, hence the correct answer is option B, absorbs more heat. The function of electric generator is it converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. The main function of generator is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Question 49. The resistance of a conductor does not depend on magnetic nature. The resistance of conductor does not depend on its magnetic nature. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, magnetic nature. All the other options, the resistance, it depends on it. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Question 50. DC generator works on the principle of option A, electromagnetic induction, option B, magnetic effect of electric current, option C, heating effect of electric current, option D, chemical effect of electric current. DC generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Question number 51. Watt is an SI unit of option electric current, option B electric charge, option C electric potential difference, option D electric power. Therefore, the correct answer is electric power. SI unit of electric power is watt. Question number 52. Observe the given table. Material K has resistivity 6.84 into 10 power minus 8, L has 1.62 into 10 power minus 8, M has 5.20 into 10 power minus 8, N has 2.63 into 10 to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Out of this, good conductor of electricity among these materials is material L has less resistivity, that means its conductivity will be good when compared to other materials. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, L, because it possesses less resistivity when compared to other materials. Question number 53. One of the properties of biogas is read out all the four options. In that, we can say that the one of the property of biogas is its heating capacity is high. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, its heating capacity is high. Question number 54. Object distance and image distance of a lens are minus 60 centimeter and minus 20 centimeter respectively, then the magnification of lens will be. Students, we know that magnification is the ratio of image distance by object distance, that is M equals V by U, that is image distance by object distance. Image distance is minus 20 and object distance is minus 60. Minus and minus will cancel out. We get 20 divided by 60. 0 and 0 will cancel out. We get 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. 1 divided by 3 will get 0.33. That is, the correct answer is option C, plus 0.33. Therefore, the magnification of the lens is plus 0.33. Now moving to question number 55. The process used to convert metal carbonate ores into their oxides is. The process of conversion of metal carbonate ores into their oxides is by the process of calcination. By the process of calcination, metal carbonate ores will be reduced to their oxides. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, calcination. Question number 56. The correct group of saturated hydrocarbon is. Question number 56. The correct group of saturated hydrocarbon is. In saturated hydrocarbon, the type of bonding will be single. Therefore, we should check for the compounds in the options that have single bonding. Option A, C and D are incorrect because it possesses double bond or triple bond between them. Option B contains only single bonding. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, C2H6, C3H8 and C4H10. Question number 57. The atomic number of an element X is 11 and atomic number of Y is 17. Then the type of bond formed between these two elements is. Students, write down electronic configuration for atomic number 11 and electronic configuration for atomic number 17, and you can see that to obtain octet structure, the element X will transfer one electron to element Y. Therefore, if there is transfer of electrons, the type of bonding will be called as ionic bond. Now we will write electronic configuration for atomic number 11, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. Therefore, the valency is 1 here. That means it can donate one electron to obtain the octet structure. Now we will see electronic configuration for element Y with atomic number 17. Therefore, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Therefore, now 3p5. Therefore, it has 7 electrons in its outer shell. It receives 1 electron from element X to obtain its octet structure. There is transfer of 1 electron from element X to Y. Therefore, the type of bonding will be ionic bond. Electron sharing, we call that as covalent bond. Electron transfer, we call that as ionic bond. Question number 58. As pH value of a solution decreases, it means acidic behavior increases. That means the number of H plus ions increases. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, number of H plus ions increases. Question number 59. The functional group present in carbon compound, as you can observe the structural formula of the carbon compound given, you can see that the functional group is COOH, that is carboxylic acid. Question number 60. The atomic number of an element is 20. In the modern periodic table, this element belongs to the period. Students, it is very simple. What you need to do is write down the electronic configuration for atomic number 20. Then the highest shell number indicates the period. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 4. You can try this question. Write down the electronic configuration. Highest shell number indicates the period. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 4. Question number 61. The number of single bonds present in the structure of cyclohexane molecule is. Student, now I'll write the structure for cyclohexane, that is 6 carbon atoms, single bond between them, and number of hydrogen bond will be as shown. It contains, each carbon will have 2 hydrogen bonds. If you observe, the number of single bonds is 18. Question number 62. In modern periodic table, as we move down a group, the atomic size of the element increases. As we move down the group, the atomic size of element increases. Now, moving to question number 63, observe the following chemical reactions. Fe plus CuSO4 give us to FeSO4 plus Cu, Zn plus FeSO4 give us to ZnSO4 plus Fe. The decreasing order of reactivity of metals in the above reaction is. Students, if you observe, it is an example for displacement reaction, that is, high reactive element displaces the less reactive element. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, zinc, iron and copper in decreasing order of reactivity. Question number 64. The gas liberated when dilute sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. The gas liberated will be hydrogen gas. When metal reacts with acid, it releases hydrogen gas. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, hydrogen gas. Question number 65. NaOH plus HCl gives us to NaCl plus H2O. This chemical reaction is an example for neutralization reaction, because when acid reacts with a base, it gives salt and water. This reaction is called as neutralization reaction. Question number 66. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, C6H6. Question number 67. The process that helps in the absorption of upward movement of water and minerals dissolved it in from roots to the leaves in plants is transpiration. Transpiration helps in upward movement of water from roots. Question number 68. The correct pathway of oxygenated blood coming from lungs to the heart in the human body is, the correct answer is option D, pulmonary veins, left atrium, left ventricle. Question number 69. The hormone that regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the human body is thyroxine. Thyroxine hormone regulates carbohydrate, protein and fat metabolism in the human body. Question number 70. The mismatched pair among the following is option B, testosterone is released from testes, insulin is released from pancreas. Option D, thyroxine is released from thyroid gland, but adrenaline is not released from pituitary gland. Therefore, the mismatched pair is option A, adrenaline pituitary gland. The part of human brain responsible for precision of voluntary action and maintaining the posture and balance of the body is cerebellum. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, cerebellum. Question number 72. A pathogen that causes gonorrhea and syphilis transmitted through sexual contact. These are sexually transmitted diseases which is caused by bacteria. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, bacteria. Next question. The correct sequence found in the process of sexual reproduction in flower is, first step is pollination, next is fertilization, next is formation of embryo, next it is seed. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, pollination, then fertilization, then embryo, then seed. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Question number 74. The part of the plant seed that grows and develops into root on germination will be radicle. Radicle is the part of the plant seed that grows and develops into a root on germination. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, radicle. Question number 75. If a round green seeded pea plant, capital R, small y is crossed with wrinkled yellow seeded pea plant, smaller, capital Y, the seeds produced in F1 generation are. The dominant character that will be expressed is, that is, round and yellow. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, round and yellow. Question number 76. The experiences of an individual during its lifetime cannot be passed on its progeny because they are acquired traits during its lifetime. Therefore, it cannot be passed from one generation to another generation. Question number 77. Analogous organs have different structures but same function. Therefore, the correct answer is option C. Question number 78. Ozone layer is formed from oxygen at the higher levels of the atmosphere by the action of because of ultraviolet radiations. Ozone layer is formed from oxygen at higher levels of the atmosphere by ultraviolet radiations. Question number 79. A product that can no more be used for the original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose is. It's a simple question. The answer is itself in the question. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, repurpose. We are using the same material for different purpose without causing pollution. Therefore, it will be repurpose. Question number 80. The watershed management increases production and income of watershed community. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. The watershed management increases production and income of watershed community. Students, thank you for watching the video. More MCQ questions will be uploaded as soon as possible for SLC exam 2021. Therefore, do subscribe the channel. Don't miss out any video. Do practice all the questions. Read textbook. Make out your own questions. It will be really helpful for your exam.